Hi, this is Abdul Aziz Khan. I'm sure you are following my videos on cloud network. So in the last two videos, I show you how you can set up your account in the AWS, Amazon Web Service, and in GCP, the Google Cloud Platform. So now I will give you some side-by-side comparison of both. This comparison is basically not about the actual service, because comparing service of two giant cloud providers is not very easy, but at least the user interface and what kind of issues I personally feel. So let me try to log in both of them. I will try to log in as uh, try to log in both of them together. I mean, not with a big difference, so that you can see that how much fast it is. So this we started both of them. So okay, Google has a two-step verification, so it took some more time because of verification, but you know, when you have verification, then it's fast as well. Okay, I put the wrong. Okay, so right now this is Google and this is AWS. Even though we were not able to do these both logging simultaneously, but it was almost the same. There was not too much big difference. Let me give you a snapshot of both of them, and so that you can understand some kind of difference. So let me take it to the whole screen. Now if you see this one, if you ask me personally, I like the structure of Google more, because one thing is that on the main screen, it gives you some basic knowledge about how much usage you are doing, what is the status of Google platform, which project you are working in right now, and your billing, that how much you are being billed. And if there is any error, then the reporting is here if you're using any resources. So this dashboard, it fulfills many qualities of a good dashboard. I mean, it gives you some good insights about your uh, your experience, your project, whatever you are doing through this. So let's come towards Amazon. Now if you see on this main dashboard, they don't call it dashboard themselves, they call it a management console only. So if you see here, they don't give you any almost any information. I mean, this has no information about what have you been doing, what is your status is. It's a kind of, it's more like a management kind of or marketing kind of platform, because they are selling their solutions here. They want you to build some solution, they want you to explore AWS more, give some feedback. So personally, I will not say, or I will not like this kind of interface. Maybe, I mean, this is not like, for example, this is not like um, a final recommendation that Amazon should switch to Google, or Google is much better than Amazon. This is just my personal experience that when I see both of these main windows, then I personally I don't like the way that Amazon is being projected. I mean, they are not projecting their cloud in, I think, not in a better way. So one thing was this, that this dashboard of Google is, I think, much better. You can customize this one as well. You can remove it. You can add more charts. If you are working, if you have different services, you can add different services. Like I don't have a VM, so there is no chart here, but this is like a real dashboard. I mean, you can uh, add or remove as per your requirements. So let's switch to Amazon again. So this management console, you cannot even you can add some things in this top menu bar, which is a good thing, which is not present in Google. So this is one thing that they have. You can say they have one thing here, but generally the feel, I don't like the feel of this. One more thing that I don't like good about Amazon was that when you will create your account for the first time, it will take 24 hours for your billing to be uh, fully set. So for 24 hours, you will not be able to do almost anything. So this does not happen in Google Cloud Platform, and your whatever you do, you can start from the exactly from the same moment. You can start doing things. So one more thing that I feel which is a bit different is that in Google, if you want to use any service, then the platform is the outline is very much different. It's like in Amazon Web Service. Now this is also not bad. You have 4 columns, and then you can go down, so you can see almost everything like this. So I will not say that it's good or bad, but if you compare it with the Google navigation menu, whatever you are doing, it should remain here. I mean, you can at least see, and everything is on the left side. A normal web page style menu. So you have everything here. These things are also classified, segregated in different categories. Like in big data, you have this. And one more good thing is that you have at least 3 levels. For like the first level was your navigation menu. Then these things, they are all segregated in different categories. And then when you go in categories, and even in categories, you can directly go in some specific window. Like for example, if you want to go in compute engine and you want to directly go to the health checks or to the zones, you can directly go from here. So it will not be like so if we compare this, so here it is only, you can say only um, two-dimensional. I mean, you have categories like this compute has these six things, Now when you will go in something like, for example, you will go in EC2, then when EC2 will open, now whatever is inside EC2, it will be visible to you. So the third level of detail is not visible from the main menu. But yes, here they have given you something better than Google, in that when you are within a compute engine within EC2 dashboard, then you can see a lot more than what Google gives you. But the difference, if you again try to feel that, for example, I am in Kubernetes engine, I see, for example, if I am not very sure that what I am looking for, it was in Kubernetes engine or compute engine. So I can just switch from here. I can see the options in both of these. So for example, I wanted to see something and I went in compute engine, I did not find it here. I can go here and then I can find it here, or I can go here. But again, if you I hope you are with me that here, if you don't find anything, you will have to go back, because the main services are here. For example, you are trying to find something in EC2, and then you realize that this is not an EC2, this was an app stream. Then you will have to load the whole app stream page. So in this way, the app stream is not available in US East. This is also one thing that I will call it a kind of something which is not good in Amazon. I will give you detail of it. Like for example, in Google, if you want to do anything, for example, if you want to make a compute engine, I will give a full demo on this separately. So when I will go in this window, when I will go inside, I can choose any zone, and at that same time, it will tell me if that zone is available or if that zone is not available. Here I just tried to go in app stream, and I was told that the region that I have right now, the region does not support app stream and it cannot go anywhere. It gives me alternate locations, but at least my flow was broken. I mean, I was trying to explore, and then I was routed on a different line. So that is how I feel that personally, what I have seen is that I feel that Google Cloud Platform is at least more user friendly, because we also know from our experience, I hope you will agree with me, that Google has a better user interface than I think all of its competitors around the world. That's why Gmail is very popular. So I think Amazon they should learn something from Google, that they should try to enhance their user interface. So these were, you can say, mainly the two things that I had some comparison in my mind. So hopefully with the passage of time, we can learn more. So I hope you will find my videos entertaining for you. You will learn something and you will know what is going on around the world in cloud networks, and I hope these will help you for staying at home. So stay home, stay safe. So in this video we have just covered only mainly two aspects of both Amazon and Google Cloud. in which I showed you that how we can access the main console, and I showed you that I personally feel that the main dashboard or main console of Google platform is much better, at least to me, for in comparison with Amazon, and also how you can access the services, how you can go in the navigation menu, how you can use that navigation menu, because the services in Amazon is, you can say, this thing is same like the navigation menu in Google Cloud Platform. So I personally feel that the navigation menu of Google Cloud Platform is better than the services menu of Amazon. So I hope you will like this comparison, and very soon I will come to you with more of my videos. So keep watching, stay at home, and make the best use of this time. So see you in my next video. Goodbye.